Miras at ngayon ay lumabas na nga yung gun update dito pre. Newly fire and cannons and new sulfurs and black powders resources. Wala ka nang masabi. Uy, mine sulfur at volcano. Black powder. Multiple new revert work add-on stores. Grabe pre. Grabe. Yung gunpowder, wait lang ha. Sundoon. Ayun, nandito na siya pre sa listahan. Build lang muna natin to din destroy. Okay. What's up, what's up? Wait lang ha. The gun. Ayun, Canon. Nandito na si Canon. Grabe naman si Canon, pre. Yung gun. Dark steel. Tingnan natin. Ayun. I-crop muna natin yun, pre. Gunpowder. So, dito, mayroon din mga boats dito. Ayun, kapidere. Ayun. May gunpowder na tayo. Oy. So, nag-increase na naman yung ating... Ayaw, no.
NANI?!
Ayop si Uncle. Akin yan, Uncle. Huwag mong galawin yan. What the fuck? Napatay patuloy ako, ayop. Ilan ba? Isa. Dalawang bulitas. 10 yung kailangan, tapos meron tayong isa. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 kada isang ano. Baka ito yung guns, pre. Wait lang. Prepare lang tayo dito ng magiging... Ayun eh, ito na nga yung gunpowder. Dinaka natin ng ano, pre. So, itong gun, pre, nandito na, pre. Ayun na, lumabas na nga sa update yung gun. Kaya naman, tayo na at mag-survey na tayo ng kalaban for wala pa tayong ammo. Pero Dark Steel yung sword natin, pre. Okay, flex na natin yung Dark Steel natin na 3,086. Mag-collect na tayo ng mga root. Nagdag sa ating mga collection. Ito, firearms and cannons instead, itong bigger caves and update na ng underwater biome, pre. Ang dami na yung mga caves na pwedeng pasok-pasukan at labas-labasan, no? Kailangan ng guns, yung gunpowder na kailangan niya. Okay, dito. Picture na tayo dito. Okay, tinamaan tuloy tayo ng bulileke. Dito tayo sa, punta tayo sa ano, Revert Perch. Bird shop. Ayun, ay, marami. Fish log, feather fall, reduce your fall damage by half. Wow, galing. Increase oxygen by 200 underwater. Wow. Master Rider, HP of low of your mouth are doubled. Oh, each time you kill an animal, your hunger restored by 200. Wow, ang galing. Quick retreat, 10 times movement. Uy, gamit na gamit to, pre. Double your repair amount per with hit. Uy, kailangan natin itong quick retreat, pre. Quick retreat at saka yung wait lang ha. Increase 200 lungs. Ito yung kailangan natin. Ito yung kailangan natin, pre. 200. Yan, nabili na natin yung dalawa, pre. Meron na tayo, pre. Tingnan natin, pre. Underwater tayo. Meron. Grabe, pre. Ang dati 100 lang, ngayon 300 na. Sana ba tayo, pre? Gumagabi na, wala pang kalaban dito. Lipat na ng siguro ng server, let's go. Pre, kawawa na naman tong node na to. Pero try natin siyang i-shot. Okay, let's go. Long range bata to. Boom! Tinamaan? Tinamaan siya, pre, pero walang galos. Try again. Next. Boom! Hindi naman. Grabe, ang pangit ng aim nito, pre. Boom! Oh, tama mo? Grabe, hindi ako halos makatama, pre. Siguro one hit din. Boom! Hala, yun. Almost pala siya namatay doon sa kanyang takbo ka, ulol. Run! Run! Oh, please don't kill me! Please! Please! I'm dying! Boom! Hindi pa. Ayop, hindi ako makakatama dito, pre. Ayop talaga, pre. Hi, Cole. Nice to meet you. Barilin kaya kita sa mukha. Boom! Tinamaan! Hala. Grabe yung sa blue steel, pre. Konti lang. Boom! Tinamaan ulit. Ito, bot ba na? Boom! Tinamaan ulit, pre. Lo, hapit na, pre. Bisa, let's try this thing, bro. Dalawa, nag-leave. Kayat, nag-teleport. Pre, tumago siya, pre. Ba naman? Boom! Tinamaan siya, uncle.
How did you get that?
Okay. Here. You can get there, bro. You can get there.
What
Here.
about the cannon?
Cannon. And the structure. Here. The structure, bro. The structure. Yan, merong gun, pre. Oh, I can shot. You need ammo. Ow, what the fuck? Natamaan niya ako. Hala, nayupa ka, pre. Bush. What the fuck is that wrong with this guy, bro? Patay na tayo. Wala na tayong magagawa. Then, alam niya pala yun, pre. Grabe ka talaga, Portal. Pabaril naman. Woo! Boom! Ay, gagi, tinamaan. Order. Buhat ba? Balian ko ni og mo ron. Ayan, screenshot mo na ako. Boom! Just hit, diba? Run, bro, run! Boom! Yo, that's not right, bro. He's killing it. This is my guy now.
Target
You just
locked.
killed me in the early game, huh? Oh! He just died, bro. He just died. I did kill him. I definitely kill him. Wait. Oh! Wait. He's gonna die. Wait. My man. My bad, dude. My bad. Oh, my dad. I am dead. Okay. I got him now. Hey, yo! Who are you, bro? Nice talking to yourself, bro. But you're gonna die today. Boom. Sorry, bro, but you're out of ammo. That's mine now. Team, you're nothing. There are some random guys wanna kill us. Uy! He has a 14! What the fuck? It's a 14 dark steel! What the fuck? Boom. Oh, why am I so weak? Uy! I didn't get my... Hey, yo. Wait, nice to meet you, yo. It's me, your boy, Yuka. Woohoo! Come on. Let's go. Come on. Hey! He has a dark steel sword, bro. Let's go. I'm your man, yo. Come on. Oh! He did die, bro. Oh, shit. How to pair mine. Boom. Okay. Boom. Okay. He's gonna 1v1 me with Boo, bro. Okay. Did you did? Why my aim so bad, bro? Okay. He's gonna die, bro. He's gonna die complete. Complete gonna die, bro. They're two gonna die, bro. Hello! What the fuck? What just happened, bro? What the fuck? Damn.